When you search for the best espresso machines, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Casa Brews CM5418. The Casa Brews CM5418 caught my attention right away with its sleek stainless steel design and a price point of $139.99. If you want to enjoy barista quality espresso at home, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a professional 20-bar pressure system, which means you get a rich and aromatic espresso every time. With its powerful steam wand, you'll be able to create creamy lattes and cappuccinos that will impress your friends. Plus, the built-in pressure gauge allows you to fine-tune your brew according to your taste preferences. With over 8,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you crave cafe-quality drinks without stepping out, this machine can deliver. Now, some users did mention that the machine can be a bit tricky to clean due to its design. Here's the thing though. If you're someone who enjoys the coffee-making process and doesn't mind a little maintenance, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a compact machine that can fit in any kitchen and produce quality drinks. Skip this one if you're looking for something fully automated. Now, if the Casa Brews CM5418's cleaning hassle sounds like too much, the next one on my list might actually be a better fit for those who want a bit more convenience. Product number 2, Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. Next up is the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier, priced at $599. This machine really caught my eye with its 3-in-1 functionality. If you want an espresso machine that can also brew drip coffee and cold brew, this is worth considering. This machine is designed for those who might feel intimidated by traditional espresso making. It includes a built-in grinder, so you can use whole beans or grounds, and it has a hands-free frothing system. Just pour the milk, select your froth style, and walk away. This hands-off approach makes it user-friendly and appealing to beginners. With 2,400 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. If you want cafe-quality drinks without the steep learning curve, this machine takes a lot of the guesswork out. However, some users found the machine a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Honestly, if you have limited counter space, this could be a concern. But if you're after versatility and don't mind the footprint, you'll likely love it. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine that's easy to use. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen or need something more compact. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an affordable yet effective espresso experience. Product number 3, Additix Espresso Machine. The Additix Espresso Machine is up next, priced at just $111.09, and it's an incredible bargain. If you're looking for an affordable way to brew quality espresso at home, this is worth a serious look. It features a professional 20-bar pressure system, ensuring that you get the optimal extraction for rich flavors and that golden crema. The machine also has a precision temperature control system to help you brew at the ideal temperature for your coffee type. This matters because inconsistent brewing temperatures can lead to bland coffee, and this machine aims to solve that problem. With a 4.2-star rating and 1,400 reviews, many users appreciate the value it brings. Now, some users mentioned that the steam wand can be a bit underwhelming for creating microfoam. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out and don't need professional level froth, this machine still delivers great espresso shots. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still produces quality coffee. Skip this one if you're a seasoned espresso lover expecting high-end features. Now, if you're looking for something that automates a lot of the process, you might want to check out the next product. Product number 4, Philips 5500 Series. Next is the Philips 5500 Series, coming in at $694.14. This machine really caught my eye with its fully automatic features. If you want an all-in-one coffee solution that can whip up anything from espresso to iced coffee, this is worth considering. With 20 customizable presets, including hot and iced options, it truly caters to every coffee lover's need. The Latte Go milk system is another standout feature. allowing for easy frothing without the hassle of cleaning internal tubes. This is huge because it saves you time and effort, which is especially valuable for busy mornings. With a 4.1-star rating from over 351 reviews, people really appreciate the convenience it brings. Here's why this matters for you. If you love variety in your coffee choices, this machine delivers with a single touch of a button. However, some users found it a bit pricey compared to others on this list. I'll be real with you. If you're not ready to invest in a high-end machine, it might feel like a stretch. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your coffee and want an all-around machine that does it all. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic espresso maker without all the bells and whistles. Now, if the price of the Philips raised concerns for you, the last product on my list offers great quality at a more approachable price. Product number 5, Brews Ultra Espresso Machine. Finally, we have the Brews Ultra Espresso Machine, priced at $189.99. This machine offers a fantastic balance of features and value. If you're looking for a solid espresso machine without breaking the bank, this is worth your attention. With its 20-bar Italian pump and customizable brewing temperatures, it ensures you get rich flavors and the ability to adjust based on your preference. The powerful steam wand also allows for beautiful microfoam, which is essential for latte art. This is great because it enables you to enjoy high-quality coffee drinks at home. Plus, it has a 4.5-star rating from 837 reviews, showing that users are satisfied. Here's why this matters. If you want flexibility in your brewing options without a hefty price tag, this machine delivers. However, some users mentioned that the learning curve for achieving perfect espresso can be steep. But if you're willing to experiment a little, you'll likely find that it's worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich machine that's still affordable. Skip this one if you prefer a fully automated experience. To wrap it up, each of these espresso machines offers something unique, from affordability and compactness to advanced technology and versatility. To quickly recap, the Brews CM5418 is great for budget-conscious coffee lovers wanting quality espresso. The Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier is perfect for those who want versatility. The Adedix Espresso Machine delivers excellent value for money, while the Philips 5500 series is ideal for those willing to invest in convenience. Finally, the Brews Ultra balances features with affordability. Choose based on your specific needs, and you'll be set to enjoy your perfect cup